Hi guys, we're here to check out the Bird Kingdom in Niagara Falls. This place is really cool. It's on the Canadian side. They have birds free flying all around. It's really cool. Let's go. We're always in the mood for a photo op, and we had a lot of fun with this waterfall.
Good job. Where's your tongue? Good job. Can you laugh? Can you growl? Growl? Good job. What else can you do? Can you wave? Wow. Please show us your big wings. Big wings. Wow. Can you take a bow? Bow. Good job. You want to show off some of your behaviors, Brad? Hi. So you've got wood in your mouth. Great. Can you, will you take you any put things in your mouth? I guess you can show your big wings. Can you show us your big wings? Good job. Can you show me your tongue? Where's your tongue? Can you say? Say no way. No way. No way. Good job. Can you wave? With that? Good job. Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. No? Hi. Hi. No. Did you hear? No. Not talking to you. Look at her. You're gonna hurt my feelings, Jade. Good thing I got thick skin. Yeah. Oh, you'll love me tomorrow or later.
Good.
Let's go.
Oh, it flew away.
Yeah, they're everywhere. Come over here. Let's go see some more. Look at the birds. You like them? Look at this white bird. Help. So nice. They're fighting. Look, they're fighting. Are they fighting?
Oh, I need a hat in here.
Oh, I know, like your head. Yeah, you like it? I get flying everywhere. What? You don't scare them. Oh, look at that little one. Tree. That's the mating dance. Get that. He's trying to entice the female.
Don't show anybody this picture.
This place is great to come when it's bad weather or it's winter. Nothing is going on outside at all. It's just cold. This place is awesome. It's like being outside. The environment here is just so natural. It's just stunning. Stunning what they've done. If you love birds, this is the place to come. Again, if there's nothing going on, the weather's terrible outside, it's raining, this place is awesome. It's just like being outside. I can't state that enough. This waterfall is a great photo op opportunity. It looks awesome. Keep in mind, not everybody will like this because the birds are flying like really close to your head, really close to you. So it's not for everybody. But for those of us who love birds, this is the place to be. Hi, buddy. Hiya, buddy. Bring lots of money, guys, because they have a lot of cool souvenirs at their bird shop. They're also catered to non-bird people as well. And that about wraps it up for us, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you're in the Niagara Falls on the Canadian side, check out the Bird Kingdom. You have to see it live.